Hi, welcome to EdTech Tuesday. I'm Jennifer Gibson.
And I'm Rich Dixon.
And today we're going to look at an app called Motion Math. I'm not very familiar with it, so why don't you give us a little background?
Motion Math, as its name implies, would be a perfect fit for math, specifically in introducing fractions and their equivalents, both with numbers, for example, 1/2, and where they would fall on a number line between 0 and 1.
Okay, what's the age group that you would recommend this for?
I'd recommend it for grades 3 through 5, but you could use it with second graders and even beyond into 6th grade for those students that need some
right,
remediation.
just depending.
So I'm going to go ahead and launch Motion Math.
Okay.
And this app takes advantage of the iPad's ability
like
to be
Star
controlled.
Wars. Okay.
Yes. You actually get a ball and you can control that ball and where it falls in
Nice.
the game by tilting the iPad back and forth. And so the very first thing that happens every time you launch the app is that the student is reminded that they need to tip the iPad in order to control it.
Oh, okay.
And then it starts in on the practice set. So the first one is a fraction 1/2. And it'll start this way each time if you're in the beginner mode, and then you try to bounce the ball and have it land on the number line exactly where 1/2
Very
would be.
kinetic. Okay.
Very good. So I think one of the things to point out is that it's very simple, so it's really nice. You can control if it's beginner, intermediate, or advanced in terms of how complex the problems are, but you can't get any more discrete than that. You can't
Customize.
create your own problem set. The other thing that I think is something to consider is that this app does not track student progress.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that could be unfortunate, and it probably has limited use. I would say, just from what I'm seeing, it might be great to introduce fractions with it and have it be a center. It is $3.99, so you'd want to consider the cost for something like this. What do you think?
I think it's a great app. It's very simple, but I would just want to caution someone that if you're looking for an app to teach everything that a student needs to know about fractions, this isn't it.
Okay.
But it's a great introduction to basic concepts around fractions and their equivalents.
Fantastic.